In this video, I will show you how to play Ben 10 Arrival of Aliens on mobile. Step 1. Open the Roblox app and search the game, or install the Android APK only from trusted sites. Then tap play to join a server. Step 2. Choose a low ping server. Pick Ben or a starter alien or loadout. Then hit spawn. Most fan builds let you swap aliens later. Step 3. Use the on-screen joystick to move. Tap the attack buttons for light strikes, hold for charge attacks, and tap for Omnitrix or Transform button to change aliens. And for a combat tips, chain light attacks into a special, dodge enemy telegraphs, target glowing weak points, and collect orbs or power-ups to refill your special meter. And lastly, finish missions to earn currency, level up aliens, and buy skins.